In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract data from Surveymonkey to Excel, a step-by-step guide tailored for 2025. If you've been collecting survey responses and are ready to analyze your data in Excel, then you're in the right place. Let's dive into the details and make this process seamless and easy. First things first, you'll need to log into your Surveymonkey account. Head over to the Surveymonkey website, enter your credentials, and you're in. Make sure you have access to the survey whose data you want to export. Once you're logged in, it's time to open the specific survey. In your dashboard, you'll see a list of your surveys. Click on the one from which you'd like to extract the data. This will open up the survey and bring you to its overview page. Next, look towards the top of this page for the Analyze Results tab. Clicking on this takes you to an overview of the responses your survey has gathered. It's from this section that you'll be able to export the data. Now, once you're on the Analyze Results page, your eyes should be on the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find the Export button. Go ahead and click it. This is where you'll choose what type of data you wish to export. You'll be presented with a couple of options here: all summary data and all individual responses. If you're looking for a broad overview, all summary data is your best bet. On the other hand, if you prefer detailed specific responses to each question, all individual responses is the way to go. Choose the option that suits your needs best. With that choice made, you now need to select the export format. You'll see various file formats available, but for our purpose, select Excel, XLSX. This ensures that your data will be saved in a format that's easy to work with and compatible with Microsoft Excel. After selecting the format, it's time to generate the file. Click the Export button. Surveymonkey will now process your request. Depending on the size of your data, this might take a few moments, so just sit tight while it prepares your file. Finally, once the export is complete, you'll see an option to download your file. Simply click Download, and your Excel file will be saved to your device. And there you have it. You've successfully extracted your survey data from Surveymonkey to Excel. And that's how you can easily move your survey data into Excel for further analysis or presentation. Keep in mind that having your data in Excel opens up many possibilities for deeper analysis, visualization, and sharing your insights with others. Happy analyzing, and I'll see you in the next video.